Hi guys, what's up? Kibby Tikabella here. Sorry about my voice. Sorry about my voice. It's just that I was just showing you guys what you could do with a rod parrot or crow, like he's offering from a parrot. That's a posting, and that's my dream pet. That's my dream pet dog, guys. Guys, I should accept, cause you can't get crows anymore. You can't get. I think I'm gonna accept, guys. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Guys, I don't know if I should. I'm thinking. Hold on. Guys, come here.
Why do you have to?
Because I might get my dream pet.
What pet?
Crow.
If you do, I'm not. I'm sharing this.
Guys, I don't. Should I?
Yeah, accept.
I love Polly.
You gonna get your dream pet? Got it?
Guys, I did it.
You got it?
Yay! Kind of miss. I want my parrot back. I want my parrot back. Guys, I don't know why I did that. Hey, at least I got something, right? Guys, I'm gonna trade her and see if she'll take her stuff back. Guys, wait. Oh, I don't know why I accept it, guys. Now this is just sad. No, come back with my parrot. Wait! Wait. Wait, I don't want this crow. Please, I want my parrot. Please. Can I please have my parrot? Please. Oh. Guess I'm not getting my parrot. I want my parrot. Guys, I'm sad. I'm sad. Guess I won't be getting my parrot. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and My joins, I think, are on. I don't know, but if you have a parrot, I'll offer this crow that's ride, and I'll offer this car. Okay, focus. I think I have my joins on. Hope if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.